Ramp Promotions, the Real Deal Podcast Show disclaimer. Ramp Promotions, the Real Deal Podcast Show, is providing this podcast as a public service, but it is neither a legal interpretation nor a statement of Ramp Promotions, the Real Deal. Podcast show policy reference to any specific product or entity does not constitute an endorsement or recommendation by Ramp Promotions, the Real Deal. Podcast show the views expressed by guests.
Now this is L16 representing for Nara Promotions, the Real Deal Podcast Show, live and direct. So tune in and line up. Want to say a big shout out to Asia Mystic, Colonel, all UK and London crew, including Arsen, Wilson, Acton, Brixton, and surrounding areas. New York crew, including Bronx, Brooklyn, Queens, Staten Island, Long Island, all Jamaica family, from South St. Elizabeth, South Manchester, reaching Negril Point to Morant Bay. The Real Deal Podcast Show. Big up Nara Promotions. Yours truly L16 say respect every time. I don't know. One.
Welcome to Naram Production. We Naram, we handle the candle.
It will never go out.
Naram keeps the fire burning.
Naram,
Burn the devil out. We keep the fire burning.
from night till the morning.
Watch Naram stamp, stamp, stamp. We stamp the devil out of our young people mouth. Moving dirty lyrics out of the mouth. Naram is now edifying, uplifting, motivating, helping those waiting for help with new songs of hope and faith. We are sharing resting songs and praise, declaring new victory over our enemies, over and over again and again. God, Naram, watch God deal with our enemies. Watch God fix our challenges. Follow Naram, few psalms in the 90s. Choose 91 for guidance and protection. Follow Naram and jump up, then crush the devil out. Follow Naram, wave your hand and stamp, stamp, stamp. The unkind lyrics out of your mouth. Live and forgive before God shut you out. Open up your heart, open up your mouth. Shout Jesus, I'm the devil out. Follow Naram. Shout out God, cover with, cover with, cover with, cover with, cover with, cover with. Shout out God, cover with, cover with, cover with, cover with, cover with, cover with.
Goodness graciously, welcome back to the show. What a day it is, man. I'm telling you, Bray going out, Bray coming in. And remember, God is always in control, ladies and gentlemen. It was a long road to get back on the air to talk to you, the people. Please like, share, subscribe, comment. Click that notification bell. I'm telling you, what a ride it was. I'm telling you.
Stay tuned.
Yeah. It got some.
Welcome
Oh,
to
yeah.
Naram Production.
Yes, welcome to Naram Productions and Naram Promotions. It is amazing to have you. It's a beautiful Saturday, and we say thank you for your patience. We had a freak storm last night. It knocked out a lot of our equipment, and we had to be changing around equipment. And now we got the studio back up and running because we attempted it twice, and three. This makes it 3 times, and we're back online now. We just now around, you know what I mean? So thank you for your patience. Today is August 8th, and you know what happens today in Brooklyn? It is the Jamaica Day, the historic day. I should have been there, but I had to to fix the studio after that freak storm. So, ladies and gentlemen, we'll get there at some point during the course of the day, but I don't know. I'm not promising at this point because it's tough to get through traffic to get over there. It's crowded, as I got some reports that it's crowded over there right now. So check this out. This is what's going on in Brooklyn, the first Jamaica Day parade that's dedicated to Jamaica from the city of New York. And this is a historic event, and the parade is going to be in Brooklyn. They're marching along the roadway to the park, and in the park is going to be an epic concert for Jamaica. So big up yourselves and big up New York City for doing that. Remember, we had the flag raising ceremony. The mayor of New York, Ma'am Dami, did not turn up, did not send any representatives. So all who voted for him, I'm going to remind you what you voted for. But however, this parade was sanctioned by the legislator. But let me have a video talk about that so you get the full facts. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Here we go.
8th, 2026. Tens of thousands of Jamaicans will march down Flatbush Avenue for the first ever Jamaican-only parade in New York City history. And it will not be a Caribbean parade. It will be dedicated to just one flag. The parade is called the Jamaica Rising Day Parade. It was founded by Dr. Bill Tinglin, a Jamaican-born community leader, under the theme, quote, Jamaica Rising, one people, one legacy, one future. Here's the route. It kicks off at 11 in the morning on August 8th at the corner of Church Avenue and Flatbush Avenue in Brooklyn, better known today as Bob Marley Boulevard. The parade then proceeds north along Flatbush Avenue before ending at Dr. Ronald McNair Park for a street festival and dance celebration. The event is free and open to the public. 3 signature floats will represent Jamaica's 3 historic counties of Middlesex, Surrey, and Cornwall. The New York City Council formally recognized the parade in a resolution passed on June 2nd, 2026, honoring the Jamaican American community's contributions and marking the 64th anniversary of Jamaica's independence. The 2026 event is now being positioned as a foundational diaspora march leading into Jamaica 65 in 2027, the country's 65th year of independence. Until now, New York had celebrated Caribbean heritage as one big West Indian American Day Carnival on Labor Day weekend. But for the first time, Jamaicans in the diaspora have a day in the streets belonging only to Jamaica. 2 days after Independence Day, in the heart of Brooklyn, every parish, every county, every flag. Are you coming out for August 8th? Comment below.
So, ladies and gentlemen, it's going on right now in Brooklyn. So make your way there. It's going on right now, ladies and gentlemen. So it's epic. And the concert in the park is going to be much more exciting than I can even imagine. So, ladies and gentlemen, it's a beautiful thing. Jamaica Day Parade, the first of its kind in New York City. It's a beautiful thing. So, whilst we were with tradition traversing through the state, we're also in the Bronx at Maureen's place on 233rd. You know where that liquor store is? That Jamaican Chinese lady who's a handful. You remember her? That's my good friend. So there was 2 things going on, a bittersweet thing. It was Independence Day. There's a celebration for Jamaican independence. Also, there was the sorrow of the passing of country. So there was a 9-night setup, so to speak, that was going on there whilst celebrating the Jamaican independence. And we say condolences to the family of Country. Country, I knew him well. He passed away, so there was something going on there for him and his family. So check this out, ladies and gentlemen. I may have to mute the music or mute it as we go along. So here we go. So I have to mute the music, but this was what was going on there at Maureen's place on 233rd. That's where the liquor store is, or the beer store, sorry. So ladies and gentlemen, this was a great showing for not just Jamaican independence, but also to show respect for country, the passing of country, and he's surely missed, and condolences to the family. So let me give you another clip here. Let's bring that to the forefront, and we'll see what happens here. But it is amazing, ladies and gentlemen, what how people come together on various occasions, or for the culmination of to appear for a double feature, we'd say, Jamaica independence and the passing of country. So let's bring the other video on stage here while we're here, and again getting all right. So I'll fight through that phase of what's going on here. Okay. Okay, so things are still moving slowly in the studio, but we'll get through it, ladies and gentlemen. That's a given. And let me remove this and then bring the other video on stage as we work through the kinks of what's going on in the studio here. You know, we had a freak storm yesterday, so I'll work through it. Okay.
Where's the Manchester Rocky Pine? Jesus, please, my generals, I big up Manchester Rocky Pine.
Same song.
But if I big up this up, I have more places in Jamaica to big up. So big up everywhere in Jamaica. Every parish
Right, that's
in
right.
Jamaica. But you want me now? We have one care son out of Brooklyn. I know country son represent with out of Brooklyn a family. I want to play for 10 or 15 minutes. Till him set up him thing and then it's alright?
So I got to take the music off there, and it seems as if my screen is not working along with me at the same time, but we'll see how things up with what's going on here. So here we go. Let's try that again. Yeah, let's try that again. Yeah, the screen is not working with me, ladies and gentlemen, so bear with me as we work through this difficult nuance that's going on with my computer. But we'll get through it. We're now a ramp, you know what I mean? So it's a beautiful thing. So let's work through it. Let's get the other video up to see if that's working. All right, so we're going to work through this, ladies and gentlemen. We're going to work. Here we go.
Welcome to Now Rap Production. We now rap. We handle the candle.
It will never go out.
Now rap keeps the fire burning.
Now ramp.
Burn the devil out.
We keep the fire burning from night till the morning.
Watch now rap. Stamp, stamp, stamp. We stamp. With sounds like this, twist, twist, but ramp with it. Now Ram said it. Now Ram reaching out to one and all. Rise and shine, rise and shine. God bless, leave negativity behind. We respect each other, we are all sisters. No one can test. Now Ram blessing us. Hey, God done bless. No one can test. No one can test. Can't ramp with we. Gotta watch everything him see. Now Ram there. Share your mind and let's hear your thoughts about it. Naram, Naram. The Naram Show. Naram, reaching out on the airwaves beyond Manhattan, Brooklyn, Queens, the Bronx, and Staten Island in the USA and around the world. With sounds like this. Twist, twist, ramp with it. Naram said it. Naram preaching out to one and all. Rise and shine. Rise and shine. God bless. Leave negativity behind. We respect each other. We are all sisters and brothers. No one can test. Naram blessing us. God done bless. No one can test. No one can test. Can ramp with we. Gotta watch everything him see. Naram there. Say rise and shine. Naram there. Say rise and shine. Go ramp with it. Naram news wise meditation, reflections, discussions.
So, ladies and gentlemen, it appears that my internet is down. So I'm coming to you from my cell phone.
The enemy is under my feet. Stay with us. Listen, learn, and discern. Wake up, shake up, shake up. Rise up early morning crew.
So, yeah. Let's see if we can get this. First time I'm doing this. So let's see if we can work with the phone while I still have the laptop going. So I have a feedback there. So let's mute one of the microphone. Okay. So I have to mute something else too. Yes. Right. So we got that sorted. All right. So this first time I'm doing this, ladies, with my phone because my laptop on the studio is down. So I transfer it over to my phone. So we've been fighting with this because of the freak storms that happened, and it damaged a few equipment in our office. So the internet is still fighting with us. So I have a few videos I had lined up, but I'm going to work through this right through to the end. So don't worry, I'm right here with you. So let me figure things out here. How can I get these videos back on my phone to show to you? But I think I have a way to do it. We'll solve the problem, ladies and gentlemen. We're going to solve it. Yep, we're going to solve it, ladies and gentlemen. Trust me. Okay, so let's get the overlay. Let's see if we can put the overlay up. Yep, it's working. All right, so we're in business. All right, so take the overlay out. So we're doing this in real time right in front of you, ladies and gentlemen, so bear with us because we have to find another way to get things done. We can't be fighting with a system that's fighting with us. All right, so here we go. So that's that. Okay. Let's try to get this setting on. Here we go. Yep. So we have the two cameras going. Oh, yeah. And we think we should be able to get things moving. So let's try to add this to our stage and see if that works.
We have one care son out of Brooklyn. I know country son represent with the care son out of Brooklyn, a family. And I want to play for 10 or 15 minutes with the music for country. So Bly, do the action until him set up him thing, and then he just do the joke. Alright? Hold on, Michi, hold on. Start something again here. Go on again here. Play again.
Okay, so we kind of got things going there, but I gotta take the volume off because the music is gonna flag us. There you go. So this was country's remembrance at Marines Place, 233rd Street in the Bronx. That was going on. So let's give you another clip. Let's see if we can get the other video up here. It's not working with us, but we're gonna figure it out. Wait. Okay, so this is not working. So let's see if we can work it another way. We're going to try to work it another way, ladies and gentlemen.
Busted, or I can just big up the children. And the kind from Spanish Ireland to move from Union, the richest Stevens, they never stop. We're talking about from mid-80s. We have a brand new track, people. And it's only 2 man could sing this song in a reggae, and Richie Stevens won. And the man really nailed it. So I want you all to listen very carefully to the voice of Richie Stevens. Listen. Richie Stevens, brand new track. The man from country. Hear my son. Hey. Check out that tune, my sing over. I'm growing. Where are we? You shall never stop. Richie Stevens, DJ I never will super free. Most one, Pillow Sharp. Youngster, you must not tune. Campaign, ready again. Brand new. Richie Stevens.
Richie Stevens. Richie Stevens. Richie Stevens.
Somebody say we have come again. Somebody say we have come again, DJ.
Goodness gracious me. Nara Promotions. Endorse Richie Stevens. Every time. From a global perspective. Yeah, man. Come away.
Here we go.
Richie Stevens, every time, from a global perspective. Yeah, yeah, man. Go in. Here we go.
Come on, everybody.
Goodness gracious me. Nara Promotions. endorse Richard Stevens every time from a global perspective. Yeah, hear me? No win. Here we go. Promotions endorse Richard Stevens every time from a global perspective. Yeah, hear me? No win. Here we go. Goodness gracious me. Now our promotions endorse Richard Stevens every time from a global perspective. Yeah, hear me? No win. Here we go. Check. We're gonna fight for the studio today, but we are working. Now ramp with Richard Stevens. Big up Sherry F. You know the things that we are working through the problems in the studio today. Listen good. Legendary. California.
congratulations, yes, sir. Shit, man. And here's, hey, I'm not walking how much me I play, so look at it now. Wait, I want to walk. Alright, but I'm afraid to say, people, when I just forward on the country bus into Kingston, Glamour Wayne was one of the first. I'm not fact, I used to live at Glamour Wayne Anti-Yard. That's how close the thing is. I don't lie, Martin. Me am tell no fly all the time, but the one I say. Big up yourself, Richie Stevens, the only time you can tell a lie is unless I'm trying to save my life. Other than that, I'm a liar. Alright, you know who can clarify all of this? This is Derek Barnett in another place. You see, if I didn't lie, me I tell, he may just step over a long time and grab the mic and say, Richie, I lie that. But Derek knows I true that. See it? So go and play music. I will still stay humble. I will still stay loyal. But watch this now, people. To my left.
Gracious me, Nara Promotions, endorse Richard Stevens every time from a global perspective. Yeah, hear me? Go in. Here we go. Congratulations, yes, sir. Shit, man. And here's, hey, I'm not walking how much me I play, so look at it now. Wait, I want to walk. Alright, but I'm afraid to say, people, when I just forward on the country bus into Kingston, Glamour Wayne was one of the first. I'm not that fact, I used to live at Glamour Wayne Anti-Yard. That's how close the thing is. I don't lie, Martin. Me am tell no fly all the time, but the one I say. Big up yourself, Richie Stevens, the only time you can tell a lie is unless I'm trying to save my life. Other than that, I'm a liar. Alright, you know who can clarify all of this? This is Derek Barnett in another place. You see, if I didn't lie, me I tell, he may just step over a long time and grab the mic and say, Richie, I lie that. But Derek knows I true that. See it? So go and play music. I will still stay humble. I will still stay alive. Goodness gracious me, Nara Promotions, endorse Richard Stevens every time from a global perspective. Yeah, hear me? Go in. Here we go.
party now. You're party now. Let the tune play, DJ. Let the tune play.
Hey, Licorice.
Where she come from again? Where she stay again? Where she stay again? Where she stay again? Friday, August 14th.
So let's kind of put that into perspective. I don't know if you can see what's going on here, but we're having a tough time getting the studio going today. Oh yeah. So let's bring this to a close. Yeah, you see what I'm saying? Oh yeah. All right. Yeah, we're having a tough time with the studio today, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks for your patience, but we're gonna close it down and figure things out, and then forward in. Blessed love. Pray going out, pray coming in, and remember God is in control. Big up yourselves. Our promotions is at you.